Heat press machines are essential tools for hobby crafters, small businesses, and sublimation enthusiasts who demand consistent transfers on textiles and other substrates. The category spans budget models suitable for occasional projects to professional-grade presses designed for higher throughput, precision, and safety. In this review, I test and compare 5 widely available models across price, capability. Product number 1. HTV RONT Auto Heat Press Machine for T-shirts 15 by 15 Smart T-shirt Press Machine. HTV RONT delivers a 15 by 15 automatic heat press designed to reduce manual intervention. It features auto down and auto release with thickness detection up to 1 inch, 4 fast modes, 2 custom modes, and an auto mode. The machine touts a 4-minute heat up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius and faster heat up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius than many competitors, aided by a dual-tube heating engine and NTC thermistor for even temperature distribution. Safety is addressed via a separated ironing board from the heat platen, a slide-out design, and a 15-minute auto-off interval, plus FCC certification and kid and pet safety considerations. Performance-wise, HTV RONT 15 by 15 excels where hands-free operation matters, small shops or solo crafters who want consistency without constant supervision. Its claimed faster heat up and even heat distribution are meaningful for frequent sublimation and vinyl projects on textiles and some hard substrates up to 1 inch thick. The weight, about 40.3 pounds, and footprint are robust for a 15 by 15 unit, which aids stability but increases space requirements. Real-world use benefits include safe handling with separated board and auto-release, and a built-in multiple-mode workflow that can reduce setup time during multi-project sessions. Potential drawbacks include the higher initial price versus entry-level 15 by 15s and the 1 inch thickness limit, which may constrain thicker items or complex plush projects. Product number 2. Fancier Studio Digital Heat Press 15 by 15 Sublimation Rhinestone Heat T-shirt Machine 15 by 15 BOLK. Fancier Studio offers a traditional 15 by 15 heat press with 110-volt operation, 1400 watts, a temperature range up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and electronic time and heat control. It uses a clamshell design with an adjustable pressure system and a silicone pad engineered for easier replacement. It's presented as a robust, budget-friendly workhorse suitable for sublimation, vinyl, and rhinestone transfers on apparel, bags, and miscellaneous flat surfaces. In practice, this model is a strong value proposition for hobbyists and semi-professionals who prioritize a straightforward, reliable 15 by 15 press without extra automation. The 500 degree Fahrenheit sealing supports higher temp sublimation and vinyl transfers, and the 110-volt 1400-watt configuration is a widely compatible layout for various spaces. A practical advantage is the easily replaceable silicone pad, which keeps downtime low between jobs. However, as with many budget to mid-range presses, users may encounter uneven platen heat distribution if the platen ages, and the lack of auto-release means more constant attention during transfers. Product number 3. Cricut's Easy Press 3 Heat Press Machine 9 by 9 inch with heat mat 15 inch by 12 inch. Cricut's Easy Press 3 bundle combines a compact 9 by 9 inch heat press with a heat mat, delivering a hybrid experience that blends the speed of a press with the control of an iron. It supports up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius, and offers manual time control or app-assisted settings via Cricut Heat. The system is designed for personal projects and quick turnaround tasks on basic t-shirts, tote bags, and small items, with safety certifications and low weight at roughly 10.8 pounds. User experience centers on portability and app-guided precision. The thermal profile is reliable for small, crisp transfers on lighter fabrics or smaller embellishments, and the mat provides a stable surface for better results on flat items. Limitations include the smaller 9x9 platen, which constrains larger designs, and the lack of a true auto-release mechanism. This remains a manual press, requiring careful handling. Nevertheless, the integration with Cricut's ecosystem and the app-based guidance is a strong advantage for Cricut users and beginners seeking predictable outcomes. Product number 4. Vevor 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine, 12 by 15 inch. Vevor's 12 by 15 inch 5-in-1 heat press combines a large platen with a 360-degree swing-away design and interchangeable accessories like mug and hot press. The unit emphasizes digital control with an audible alarm, insulating layers, and a Teflon-coated platen for non-stick transfers. It targets users who need versatility across shirts, hats, mugs, and plates within a single frame, offering a broad feature set at a mid to premium price point. Operationally, the swing-away mechanism helps avoid accidental contact and supports consistent downward pressure, which improves transfer quality on multi-layer projects. The 12 by 15 platen enables mid-sized prints and more complex designs, while the 11TV 1050-watt configuration keeps energy use reasonable for home studios. The major caveat is that price availability varies, and some buyers report variability in fit and finish depending on the batch. Non-stick coatings and accessory alignment are critical for long-term performance. For users who want all-in-one capability, this model provides a compelling balance of size, versatility, and control. Product number 5. The Cricut Easy Press Mini Heat Press for pressing small objects like shoes. The Cricut Easy Press Mini is a tiny, highly portable heat press designed for hard-to-reach areas and small projects. It offers 3 heat settings and a precision tip, a ceramic-coated plate, safety base, auto-off, and a compact footprint, about 2.5 by 4 inches. It's ideal for hats, shoes, stuffed animals, zippers, and other tight spots where a full-size press is impractical. In use, the Mini excels at accuracy and control in limited spaces, and its safety base plus auto-off adds peace of mind for quick tasks and on-the-go crafting. The downside is the limited platen size and lower overall heat capacity, which restricts designs to very small motifs or patch-level embellishments. For Cricut ecosystem users or those who frequently work on irregular shapes, the Mini offers unmatched convenience and compatibility with Cricut's materials and guides, but it's not a substitute for larger transfers.